how many guys actually take the time to walk outside and take a walk? How many of you guys actually just take the time to stop and get some fresh air? You know, how many of you guys are stuck inside the house just playing video games all day? Yeah, you making an income, okay? Making a living, you working from home or whatever. But life is still outside. Nature is still outside. You know, people, plants, water, trees are still outside. Go outside, walk on the earth barefoot, ground yourself with the earth, become one with humanity. Become one with nature. It'll benefit you in the long run. Go on a walk, go on a bike ride, go for a swim, go for a stroll, and see what the nature's beauty has to offer. Take some people with you. Take your spouse, take your family. Go for this adventure and enjoy it. Enjoy the scenery. Enjoy the outside energy. God created this planet for us to not just to be stuck in the house watching TV or scrolling on our phones and playing video games. That was man-made technology. God created this earth for us, these plants, the water, the trees, the fruits and vegetables that grow, the nuts, the wheat that grows. We're supposed to go out and embrace these things and love them and cherish them, because not everyone has the opportunity to do that. Not everyone has the opportunity to put themselves in a realm, in a space where peace and serenity is flooding around them simply by the breeze and the sunshine and the light and the air. A lot of people can't experience these things, so you take it for granted and you just stay cooped up in the house. It's not the right way to go. You know what I'm saying? Go out, open that door up. I don't know. I know some people got certain social anxieties and things like that, but at the same time, you missing out on a whole other part of your life that could potentially reduce your stress and anxiety, but you just don't want to give it a chance. You just don't want to give it a chance. You tell yourself, oh, there's too many people out there. Oh, I'm fine. I have this, I have that in the house. I could do that. You know what I'm saying? And it's just magnificent on that other side of that door. What you can see, what you can feel, what you can touch, what you can breathe. The animals, the insects. Yeah. Get in touch with the world, with nature. Go and get in touch with it. Because I feel like definitely this generation, we're losing that, man. We're losing that sense. Everything is just a phone screen. Everything is just a video game. Everything is just an Instagram or a Twitter or a post. Go find a tree post. You know what I'm saying? Go find a stump. Instead of being on Call of Duty trying to get slumps, you out in nature sitting on stumps. You know what I'm saying? Go breathe in the lively energy from vegetation. Not playing on video games and watching movies with frustration. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? There's so much more out in the world to see, to feel, and to become. Don't sit in the house and be dumb. Let me tell. Hold on. Hold on. Take the church. Listen, man. Y'all want to go out and live the life worth living for. Don't be stuck in the house and just throw it all away on whatever you got going on in the house. Not saying it's not peaceful in the house. You can't find things that you could paint. You could do this. You could do that. You got family in the house. I know it get cold outside sometimes, but man, it shouldn't be too many excuses for trying to go outside and connect with the world. For trying to go outside and skip a rock. You feel me? For trying to go outside and climb a tree. The kids is not even. When I was growing up, we couldn't even, bro, we couldn't even sit in the house and not be jealous of the kids outside. Like, if you was in trouble on punishment, you could hear the kids outside. You get home from school, you ready to hurry up and wash up to go back outside, because all the kids outside. We all want to go outside and play with everybody. You know what I'm saying? We trying to go turn up and enjoy everything. Running around, playing man, playing tag, playing football, basketball, water guns, whatever. Like, yo, man, nowadays it's quiet. You know, most areas are really quiet. I'm actually happy. It actually makes me very happy that the place I live in now, I do hear kids come outside and play. I hear them screaming and stuff, and they got a little basketball court around the corner. They be playing. I hear them hooping. So that's joyful for me. I do enjoy that because, like I said, I don't see a lot of that now. I don't hear a lot of that now. It's very rare. It's very, very rare. Where I grew up at, it's definitely not like that no more. So it's like you know what I'm saying? It's shocking to an extent, because it's like, why the kids all stuck in the house? We used to have so much fun outside, playing and doing whatever we wanted to. Ain't nobody ever want to step out, like stay in the house, bro. Nobody ever wanted to stay in the house. Now everybody want to stay in the house cooped up and trying to find whatever game they could play, whatever TV or whatever phone they could scroll on. Go back outside, bro. Go back outside. And listen, man. Like I'm saying, this is not even for kids. This is for adults. But I'm just showing you how it's, you feel me? Like, y'all setting the example, and so now, since y'all just staying in the crib, now the kids staying in the crib too. Y'all, why don't y'all want to? We was outside in the nature. How y'all get stuck up on video games? Go outside and enjoy the life. Go on a hike, man. Go explore something. Go find something. Go look at dirt and find different minerals. Yeah, y'all don't like that, but it's real and it's interesting. And it will expand your mind to something new. And it'll expand your children's mind to something new too. It's not, you know what I'm saying? Go to an aquarium, watch a dolphin. You feel me? Learn nature, learn research what we got going on in this world. It's a beautiful place to be. It's beautiful energy to have. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, it's just so powerful. And I feel like it just goes so unnoticed, and it's like it's taken for granted so much of how much we're blessed to have the things we have in life, from the simple things just as water and oxygen. You know, we take these things for granted. I really think that we take these things for granted. You know, next time you don't have clean water to drink, think about it. It's a deep thought, ain't it? You're like, man, what are you talking about? I always had clean water to drink. Exactly. A lot of people don't. Imagine if you walked out and didn't have fresh air to breathe. A lot of people don't. Consider those things. The luxury, the access to healthy food, fresh vegetables, fresh fruits. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't have these luxuries. Start considering these things. Start thinking about the life you're living and the example you want to set for the future. Your future kids or your children now. Future generations behind us, you know. Let's get to that. Step outside. Don't hide. Brain cycle.